Welcome to Mobile World Congress 2024. We're here today with Elif Yenihan Kaya, who's Core Network Capabilities Director at Turkcell, Tarkan Alagöz, who's Chief Operations Officer at Odin, and Ayham Alzaaim, who's Sales Telco Director for CEMETA at Red Hat. Thank you for joining us. So Elif, tell us about your vision and your approach to modernizing Turkcell's infrastructure.
Turkcell has a very unique position in this cloud journey, being the first operator to launch the cloud infrastructure in Turkey, and also being an example to the region as well because of the approach it has taken. We have taken the approach towards unified telco cloud rather than some full stack options or silo-based approach. And also we have quite confidence in ourselves to bring the best of breed on top of our telco cloud environment. What I mean by best of breed is breaking the vendor lock-in and giving all core network services with multiple vendors in each domain, making it possible. We have over 40 million subscribers at the moment, fixed and mobile. And I can say that many of them are taking service from our cloud environment, serving both fixed and mobile networks. And finally, we will be going towards the microservice environment. And we have deployed the first nodes, first applications, but we will be continuing in this journey with Kubernetes and container-based platforms.
It sounds like Turkcell was able to move very quickly with its virtual and cloud-native journey. So why do you think you've been that successful at expanding so quickly?
We use the power of open cloud and as well the ecosystem in this environment. And we have an experienced team. By the way, we took a challenge by choosing this best of breed approach. But we have made a success with an experienced team till now, because it has been 7 years. And together with the partnership with Odin and Red Hat, with Turkcell team, we have built an ecosystem in Turkey. And this ecosystem will serve us even better in our future next generation microservices, migrations, and in our journey towards 5G. In disaster times, for example, we faced a disaster last year in Turkey. It's very critical to build new capacities in your network. So this is only possible with an open environment to have such an agile approach and with the automation in the network. So we are really focusing on automation with Red Hat, Ansible, and continuing our journey to evolve our network.
Ayham, tell us more about the partnership between Red Hat and Turkcell. And in particular, why was Red Hat instrumental in helping Turkcell deploy their horizontal telco cloud?
Red Hat's open foundation gave Turkcell the opportunity to extend its services from the core all the way out to the edge. By doing so, and as customer requirements evolved and changed, Turkcell was able to provide these telco services no matter how close they are to the customer. In addition, Red Hat's certified ecosystem and diverse ecosystem allowed many features on benefit for Turkcell to realize. Some of these were the interoperability between technology vendors, the speed of migrating from VNF to CNF, as well as the onboarding of CNFs onto the platform. By doing so, Turkcell was able to reduce its testing phase from the 3 months as it was in the past to from 1 to 3 weeks. Last but not least, with Red Hat's open foundation, Turkcell was able to extend its services across multiple cloud scenarios. By doing this, Turkcell's agility and flexibility to provide multiple services to meet customer requirement, to meet evolving customer changes in an automated manner, ensured that Turkcell's quality of service, Turkcell's ability to deliver on their commitment to their customers were met.
Tarkan, at what specific stage of Turkcell's virtualization journey did Odine provide expertise, and what were the outcomes of Odine's involvement in terms of the project's success?
Odin is a global communications partner helping telecom operators modernize their networks and digitally transform them. A few years ago, Turkcell decided to move its physical network functions to the virtual ones. Our field experience and virtualization expertise, we have started the journey to move every single PNF to the VNF ones. Not only moving the PNFs to the VNFs, after the initial stages, Turkcell has decided to automate already needed automation and orchestration. We also helped automizing and orchestrating the network. This only not helped Turkcell to be efficient, but also free up their resources to be innovative and also focus to customer experience. As an overall stage, with open source technology, and I think Red Hat's contribution, we are now at the stage of moving cloud native platforms and making Turkcell a ready 5G operator. As 5G depends on microservices and appliances, we are now building initial 5G ready networks, and I'm sure Turkcell is now beyond the operators in Turkey is ready to serve its clients, microservice appliances and services.
Elif, to wrap up, let's look ahead. What do you think are the new opportunities for Turkcell in the next few years as you continue with your cloud-native approach and your roadmap to be on air?
We will certainly continue with our existing telco cloud infrastructure to build new services on top of it and expand the network far ahead. And as well, we will concentrate on the pre-production sites to make the operations and migrations very smoothly. And as well, we will concentrate on containerization platform to introduce and evolve towards 5G. Last but not least, automation is a critical part of this picture, because when you automate the network, it's easier to manage in such a complex environment all the services and all the infrastructure. I believe in a strong collaboration with our partners, Odin and Red Hat. So I know that I will get the maximum support to make these real. Thank you.
Elif, Tarkan, Ayham, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.